Hello guys, this is Wengoose, Walter Rocks, etc, etc. Today I'm bringing you Hexbugs. Not just any Hexbug. The Hexbug V2. AKA, this is my first Hexbug V2. I took it out of its package already, played around with it, but I just put it back in here. Also, each Hexbug V2 comes with its own little track piece. So, let's take the Hexbug out of its track piece. So, let's open up the package. And here are the little instructions. Just a second, guys, I'm opening the instructions. Still opening them. Okay, so here they are. The Nanos take AG13 LR44, or I forget the other name. Yeah, the rest are just stuff we don't need. Let's toss that out to the side, and then the Hexbug. So this is the Hexbug V2. I'll get into more detail right after we toss this side. Just toss it aside. This new and improved Hexbug V2 goes a lot faster because it's a new battery, but see, it's 3 feet at the top. I'm going to talk about those a bit later. There are 3 feet here, 2 feet there. Let's just go over to my Hexbug trunk. Now I'm going to pick up my glow-in-the-dark blue. Well, my glow-in-the-dark cyan. Glow-in-the-dark is the green part. It's normally white, like shown out here. Then closer up, it's glow-in-the-dark green. So let's compare the two. Come on. Let's compare. So, not a whole lot of difference. There's a different top. And to me, before, it looked like the V2 was slightly... They just took a floor. To me, before, it looked like the V2 was a bit big. Now, apparently, it isn't. Yeah. FYI, I have them faced the right way. Their mouth is there. See, this guy's butt is bigger and different shaped. Different metal, obviously. And so far, I don't think that there are any V2 glow-in-the-darks, but I don't know. Leave it in the comments. Turned around. Not a whole lot different. Still looks like the V2's longer. Why? Why? But battery pack's not different. Switch still on the same side. Switch on V2 is a bit smaller than V1. What? So then here, on the V1, there are 6 legs on each side. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Yeah, let's toss the V1 aside. With the V2, there are 4 legs on each side. 3 here, and one's a bit smaller. And the last one is huge, so 4 there. Yet there are 3 legs on the top. That gives me a question mark. Why are there legs on the top? As you would be saying if you've never seen what a V2 does before. Also, you would be thinking, why is it called V2 if it's just like a normal Hexbug, only different shaped, and it has an antenna on the front? Well, you see this tube? to the tube, I'm going to turn the Hexbug on, and of course, it goes through the tube. So does the V1. Only the V1 does it quicker. Sorry guys, kind of froze there. I'm going to do this again. Guys. So it froze a lot there, but I'm going to do it again. It goes a lot quicker. Then, when you put this like this, you put the V1 in. Can't climb, obviously. It's never been able to. Turn that off. Then, put the V2 in. What the heck? It climbed to the top! Woohoo! V2 is awesome! Yes. Yeah. They're cool. They're different color, different shape, different size. Different legs. My only concern with the V2s is not about the actual V2 itself, but the fact that these poor V1s are going to one day become extinct. I can't even think of what the V3s would be. What? Glow in the darks? Well, there were V1 glow in the darks and it wasn't called V2. But, I don't know. So then let's bring this track piece. Well, in other cases, I'm not going to show the track piece on the actual habitat, but it's really cool. And you can connect different track pieces together. Now it's at the top. Do it again. Do it again. This time. Sorry guys. That was a bit messed up. This time. Slow. Do it again. So yeah, that's cool. And I'm going to bring it over to the habitat. I said I wouldn't, but I will. Just to get another Hexbug and show you an example. So, 2 Hexbug V1s can fit in here. Same with the V2s, but with the V1s, it's necessary to have 2 V1s in there at once. So let's get my Black Battle one. Put him in there. And then also take this guy. Just a second, I'm putting them in there. So now they're in there, it's upward, and they can't get up. Then, with the help of a trusty, friendly V2, they can make it. It just takes a very long time. Never mind, log jam. Sorry guys, that kind of derped out. See. You see, with the help, I can't do this. Sorry guys, but if you have two Hexbug V2s, it would be a lot easier than with one. Because if you have 2 Hexbug V1s trying to get up the tube and they can't, the V2 can help. But with 2 V2s, each one below this one,